We have a couple more tasks to do for the rest of today. First, well, both of them are actually very easy compared to the other one that we did today, but they're just styling changes and graphic changes. First one is change blog background to be slightly off-white and a very slight yellow tint. So I've seen other people do this, and I kind of wanted to do it as well. It just looks more polished if it's not fully white, but just a tiny bit yellow. Like, I don't know how to explain it. I'll just try to show it to you on the screen, and I hope. Okay, so it should be so little that you wouldn't notice the difference with your own eyes, but it would somewhat look better. It's very difficult to explain it. You'll just see it. Okay, I hope you'll see it. You may not see it if you're watching this on a not very good screen. Maybe a TV definitely would not show the difference. You have to have one of those great screens that cover 99% of Adobe RGB colors or something. I don't know. Okay, let's get back to the responsive mode. Let's get out. Okay. So let's inspect. Come on. Okay. I want to have a background color. Let's try blue. Right. So as you can see, the blog has a different white compared to the rest of the website. I don't remember why I did this, but there must be a very good reason why I didn't. Why I did this. So let's go back and let's go. Yeah. So here. Where's the blog post SASS? It's here. I think I did it white on purpose for some reason. I don't remember why, but let's try removing it and let's see what it causes. It should refresh. Okay, it didn't. Is the server running? It is running, yeah, okay. Fine. So this blog looks fine, but if we go to QNotes, well, this still looks fine as well. This is one of the things that I did before, but with the changes that I did afterwards, I forgot to remove it. Okay, that's neat. So if I just change the background now, it's going to apply to the whole thing, right? Background, yeah, okay, that's nice. Doesn't apply to the pictures though. So that means if I add a slight yellow tint, that is digital color meter. Is this white? Yes, this is 255, 255, 255, which is not good. Ooh. That means if I change the color to be slightly off white, like that, these pictures are gonna look weird now. That's not really what I wanted to do though. Okay. You know what? Maybe I should give up on this task. Because like this color change doesn't look good. Um, let's try this in here. Yeah, it doesn't look good, does it? Yeah, white looks better. At least the ones with the pictures. This one doesn't look so bad. It's barely noticeable. So what's this color then? So blues are slightly decreased to 253. I could do that, yeah. Okay, just for the sake of doing it, let's just do it. Um, I'm probably gonna revert this back later on, but whatever. So blog post, div, That's the blog post background. This is the container. We're gonna change it for blog post body, right? So if we background, let's choose red for now. Let's see what this does. Okay, that didn't do anything. You know what? Maybe I should just abandon this task because, like, for the changes that it brings, it's too much work. Yeah, I'm not gonna do some. I'm not gonna do it. I'm not gonna do it because it's not something that people would actually notice, and I'm not sure if I like the color shift between this white and the one on the right. So let's just ditch this task, you know. Right. Second thing for today is personal website SVG navbar icons are not in the container. Also make the footer full width in the SVG. Yeah, that's something I could do. Let me show you what I'm going to be working on. Oh, let's go to localhost again. We don't want to add traffic to the website right now. Okay. I'm talking about this SVG that I did previously. So as you can see in the website, there's a long space. There's a big space between my name and the left of the website, but in the SVG that I did previously, there's no space. So I'm going to add some space, bring these things to the middle. Also, the footer spans the whole width of the web page, but in this image it doesn't. So I'm going to stretch this down further. So it's under development, source, data, images, and then here it's under ongoing projects, personal website. Okay, well, first of all, let's bring these to the middle. It should be right there, right? Yeah, that looks fine. Okay, and these four, they should come right there. Yep, that's the expected behavior. And also let's extend this. Okay, let's change this yellow to, okay, I'm gonna change this yellow to be a bit less orangey, a bit more yellow. And you know what, let's use the color that we found there. Let's decrease the greens as well. Okay, see, that's what we were meant to do in the first place. The findings from there taught us these colors, and we're going to use them. Right, the last one, make text rectangles a little lighter in here. So apparently I didn't like these when I was looking at the website. They look fine, but okay, let me just make them a tiny bit lighter. A bit more. Okay. Now this is too dark. And the same applies for these ones too. So maybe try A. That's not a huge difference. Let's try B. That's better. Okay, and also I want to make this slightly smaller. Everything's grouped, right? And align these to the middle of the image. Wait, that's not the middle. What's happening? There must be something else that I haven't selected. What the? That's odd. That's really odd. So this is the Align tab. And when you click on this, it aligns things to the center, right? Yes, it does. I mean, why did it work now, but didn't work previously? Anyway, let's save it. Let's see it on the website. Okay, that's all of the changes. I'm currently designing a new footer component, but yeah, I'm not going to show it to you. That's far away in the backlog. Again, we have so many things to do before that. So these two tasks are done. I'm not going to change the blog background, but hey, at least we've changed this background. Yeah, I can end the stream. There's one more task to do, but I have to prepare for it before I can explain it on camera. So give me like half an hour maybe, and I might do another stream, or I might just do it tomorrow. I don't know. All right. Have a nice evening, everyone, and bye.